Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can download Capcut on PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Store on your PC or laptop and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, log in using your account and you will be redirected to the home page of the app where all the recommended apps will be displayed. Then search for Capcut in the search bar at the top of the screen and open the first app tab present in the results. You can see that the app is already installed on my PC. In your case, it will be Get App button. Simply click on it and it will start downloading. And that's how you can download Capcut on PC. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.